Well, welcome to the second of our short interviews with local companies that are in the Quackenbush building that have received some sort of support or investment from the Rensselaer County IDA Board. And again, the purpose here is to give you a quick feedback, board members, of where these companies are today and where they may be going, and how the support you've given them have helped them in the future. So today we have a very interesting company that actually came to us from our partnership with NYSTEC and Ignite U New York. And Eva is the co-founder of United Aircraft Technologies. So Eva, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and then the company?
Certainly. So my name is Eva Rising, and I'm currently the CEO of United Aircraft Technologies. I was born and raised in Puerto Rico, and I moved to the States with $60 in my pocket. I got a secondary degree from both SUNY Oswego and Cornell University, and went back into business. And that's how I met my co-founder, Darian, and started United Aircraft Technologies, which is currently based on his life experience as a prior aircraft electrician for the U.S. military for over 14 years. That is until he got injured, lost his job, home, everything because of the metal clamps used today, which you can find in the tens of thousands in a single aircraft. That is until he became an engineer and created a solution. The solution, which is a thermoplastic clamp that can take weight off the aircraft, but the unique part of it is that it has a network of sensors embedded on it that can create a digital twin and a live 3D map of the electrical system that can map, monitor, and diagnose it, taking something that takes weeks down to hours. Currently, they spend 2 weeks or more trying to find or troubleshoot a problem. But with us, we can tell you instantly where it is, what it is, and how to fix it.
That's a big impact.
Yes.
In keeping aircraft operational.
Yes. So currently we work with the military with multiple contracts, and we're excited to be able to put our product into the new helicopter models coming out.
Very good. So both reduction of weight and then being able to improve the maintenance cycle.
Correct.
With that. Wow, did you actually patent either of these ideas?
Yes, actually they're both patented, both the design of the clamp as well as the sensing clamp itself.
What advice would you give to a budding entrepreneur?
The first thing I would say is go outreach to the community, IDA, Ignite U, where they have the resources and the people that have done it before to help you do customer discovery. We went to Ignite U and they opened up their offices for us so we could have meetings, and they even watched some of our pitches for the military and gave us some feedback back on it. Where we were once at the center of gravity, as we continue growing, having access to the equipment that was provided, and we were able to then continue from there prototyping, and eventually we were able to have an office space that was affordable for a growing company where the cash is limited.
And literally it's right down the hall from our offices.
Down the hall. We were able to establish a lot of good connections with the entrepreneurial ecosystem in RPI, with Kelly, for example, and we were able to establish an internship program where we grab a lot of interns from RPI, both during the summer or through their Arch program, and we're able to give them real workforce experience that takes what they learn technically and apply it into a real life situation. Thanks to the help from Ignite U, IDA, and other people that supported us through the entire entrepreneurial journey, currently we have secured 2 contracts with the Department of Defense, a value of close to $2 million currently, and so we are beginning to grow and to manufacture our products and bring in more people. And by bringing in more people, we have more opportunities for internship and workforce development, but also being able to create this entrepreneurial ecosystem around the area, around the tri-state area, really, to be able to see that you don't need to live in a big city to have a big impact into a growing market, and you can grow with the resources and the close-knit community that's around us.
Well, we're so proud of you.
Thank you.
And we're looking for continued success as you go forward.
Thank you.
So thank you for spending some time with us.
No problem. My pleasure.
Great.